Here I have XIAOMI Poco M4 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, then tap here, go to its settings, and here we can find press and hold shutter button, and here you have to select burst shot. And now to take a burst shot you just have to hold down shutter button like this, and after that it will take a burst shot. So as you can see, I took like 20 shots here, just like this. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.